Welcome! In today's guide, I'll show you how to use the system spell checker on the Telegram app for PC with the latest update. This feature is a great way to keep your messages error-free and polished, and setting it up only takes a couple of moments. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is running, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu button. Go ahead and click on those lines to open the main navigation menu. Next, from the list that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can customize Telegram according to your preferences. Inside Settings, scroll down a little until you find the Advanced option. Click on it to continue. Here in the Advanced section is where Telegram places many of its more detailed features and tools. Look for the section labeled Spell Checker. You'll see an option that says Use System Spell Checker. By default, this might be turned off, but all you need to do is click or toggle it on. The moment you enable this setting, Telegram will start using your operating system's built-in spell checker to review the text you type. That means any messages you prepare will automatically be checked for spelling mistakes, just like they would be in other apps that rely on the same feature. From this point on, as you type in Telegram, the system will highlight potential errors and offer corrections, depending on how your computer's spell checker works. It's a simple change, but it makes your chatting and work on Telegram look far more professional and polished. And that's all there is to it. By opening Telegram, navigating through the menu, heading into Settings, selecting Advanced, and then enabling the system spell checker, you've activated a feature that saves time and helps avoid mistakes. Try it out and see how much smoother your messages become. If you found this guide helpful, take a few minutes to apply these steps right now so you'll never have to worry about typos slowing down your conversations again.